Introducing the Grand Teton, a box that will transform your minivan into a camper in minutes. The Grand Teton is meticulously designed, cut with a CNC machine to ensure precision and smooth operation. Every box features a rabbet, tenon, and mortise design for added stability. And it's small enough to be stored in your garage and light enough to be carried by 2 people. This unit features a running water tap with a 12-volt pump and a stainless steel sink and stove. It has 2 drawers with covers for storage and added counter space. It also has a drawer for the 12-volt refrigerator, which is easily removed if you prefer to use an ice chest. And of course, camping wouldn't be complete without a camp chair. And here is the best part. The bed is neatly folded on top of the box. So when it's time to go to bed, you can unfold it in seconds. And don't be fooled by its compact looks. This bed is 6 feet long. Also, there is plenty of space underneath the bed for your camping and hiking gear. We understand the inconvenience of walking to restrooms at night, so we designed the Grand Teton so you can stow and easily access the toilet when you need it. Now you can camp anywhere you can drive to. So what are you waiting for? Get your Grand Teton now.